Is Oanda a good broker? Have you used Oanda before? What was your experience? Feel free to leave your thoughts and comments in the comments section below. Oanda is widely recognized as a reputable Forex broker with a strong presence in the industry, dating back to its founding in 1996. The company is well regulated in multiple jurisdictions, including the United States, Canada, and the UK, which adds a significant layer of credibility and security for traders. Oanda has built a reputation for its transparency, offering competitive spreads and a range of trading platforms that cater to both beginners and experienced traders alike. One of Oanda's key strengths is its commitment to transparency. The broker is known for providing clear and detailed information regarding its fees, which helps traders avoid unexpected costs. Additionally, Oanda offers competitive spreads, making it an attractive option for those looking to minimize trading expenses. Their trading platforms are also user-friendly, with options like Meta4, MT4, and their proprietary Oanda Trade platform, which offer robust features and tools for technical analysis, charting, and automation. Despite these advantages, there are some noted negatives to consider. One of the primary drawbacks is that Oanda's spreads, while competitive, can be wider during periods of low liquidity, such as during off-market hours. This can impact the overall cost of trading, especially for those who trade frequently. Another potential downside is the limited range of tradable assets compared to some other brokers. While Oanda offers a solid selection of Forex pairs, its offerings in other asset classes, such as stocks and commodities, are more limited. Additionally, some users have reported that the broker's customer service can be slow to respond during peak times, which could be a concern if immediate assistance is needed. In summary, Oanda is a solid choice for Forex traders, particularly those who prioritize regulation, transparency, and access to user-friendly trading platforms. However, potential traders should be aware of the possible drawbacks, such as fluctuating spreads and limited asset offerings, and consider whether these factors align with their trading strategy and goals. As with any broker, it's advisable to thoroughly research and even test the platform via a demo account to ensure it meets your specific needs before committing to live trading.